Okay, this one is fairly simple. Skill code T9G is simply working on reciprocals. So a reciprocal, remember, when we get into dividing fractions, we need to be able to keep, change, flip. Well, that flip part is what you are doing when you find the reciprocal of a fraction. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Remember, we just flip it. Okay. And remember, when you type this into IXL, to type a fraction in, you have to type it in like this with that slash mark. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter that into IXL and see what the next one is. I'm going to jump up a level because those are all fairly simple. Okay. I'm trying to see if it's going to give us any whole numbers, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. What happens when they give you a whole number of a 5? How do you find the reciprocal of a 5? Remember, we've got to turn this into a fraction first before we can find the reciprocal of it. So we need to put a 1 underneath it to make it a fraction because it's 5 whole ones. What size are these pieces? It's the whole thing, and you've got 5 of them. Then once it's a fraction form, then we can find the reciprocal of it, okay? So this is how we find reciprocals of whole numbers. Okay, that was fairly easy. The only reason why I posted this video is because you probably forgot what that word reciprocal meant, so I thought I'd help you out with it a little bit. Okay, work on those SMART scores. Try to get up to an 80 for 1 dojo point. If you get up into the 90s, I'll give you 2 dojo points. If you get up into the hundreds, I'll give you 3 dojo points. Remember, you and your family can be working on a reward system at home for a certain number of dojo points that you set a goal for. Once you set your goal, then you can work towards achieving that goal, okay? All right.